Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by naming every state and labeling them clearly. This prevents confusion later. Once labeled, go through your sequence and tally each observed move from state I to state J, including self-transitions. Make sure to keep separate counters for each origin state so you can compute row totals later. This early granularity matters. Accurate counts directly determine transition probabilities and ensure the matrix rows sum correctly. So be methodical and update counts immediately as you scan the data. Once you have counts, arrange them into a square matrix where each row corresponds to an origin state and each column to a destination. Next, compute the row sum for each origin. This is the denominator for normalization. Then divide every entry in a row by that row sum to convert counts into probabilities. Make sure every row sums to 1, subject to rounding. If a row sum is 0, handle it intentionally because it indicates no observed exits from that state. You finish by checking each row sums to 1 after rounding and adjusting precision only when necessary to preserve normalization. If any state had 0 outgoing counts, decide. Treat it as absorbing, add smoothing like Laplace, or inject a prior so the model remains usable. Once done, validate the matrix on a separate sequence segment to confirm predictions match observed frequencies. If discrepancies persist, review counting errors or consider larger sample sizes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.